Mac.
Yankees.com.
This is an example of the majority of what the keys are on there, like this size right here. And what you have underneath is this plastic scissor hinge that's attached to the key underneath. So what you're actually doing is you're separating this hinge from that key when you actually slide the tool underneath. So let me see if I can give you a side view of this. You can kind of see that right there, how it drops right there. So what you're actually doing when you're separating the two, you're taking this tool and you're sticking it inside this little fold right here. And then when you press in, that snaps that right off. So that's why it's important to go in on the actual sides of it and to think that that fold will be somewhat centered in that key. So if you slide your toothpick, paper clip, or whatever it might be, think that you need to remain in the center of this key. We're going to remove the A key. You're going to take your tool, spudger, toothpick, paperclip, whatever you're using. You're going to place it just underneath the bottom here, just to pry it open just a tad. And then you're going to take your second tool and just insert it on our right there. Now you can remove the bottom tool. And what we're eventually going to do is we're going to take this tool and slide to the left. And what that's going to do is separate the A key from the plastic scissor bracket underneath it. Before we do that, you want to take your finger and hold the top part of the key down. Now you can slide to the left. There you go. You've removed your A key. Now to remove the plastic scissor bracket, take your tool, whatever you're using, put it right on top of the plastic rubber cup, and then underneath the hinge. And then we're just going to slowly pry it up like that, nice and gently. And then we're going to do the same thing to the bottom. And that just pops right out. And you've now removed your A key and the A key scissor bracket. Now to install your new scissor bracket, you'll notice on the bracket, you've got a wide part on the bottom and then a tapered part on the top, and that corresponds to how you want to actually place it inside the keyboard. So we're going to take this bottom part and just place it right here, and then we're going to pull kind of in an upward direction, and it should take hold. And when it does, you just let go of the scissor bracket and it should fall right into place. And what that is just grabbing those little metal brackets right there. And now to install the top part, you just push down with your finger until it snaps. You've installed your scissor bracket now. Now take your replacement A key, just stick it right on top there like that. And then we're going to push down, and there's 4 little clips in there that need to take hold. And sometimes you have to wiggle your finger in order for them to all snap in. Just like this. There you go, and you can test it. And you have installed your A key.
Mac.
Yankees.com.